Thomas and Diesel were worried. Percy's recent accident has caused a great deal of trouble, and the Topham Hatt was waiting for them. Here is Kana, the rocket. She's here to help while Percy is getting repaired. Please, sir, said Thomas. Will she go back to doing her jobs when Percy comes back? Well, Kana is new to our railway. No matter how long she stays, I know you will make him welcome. Yeah, I'm a rocket engine. He's taking her to the shed. Choo-choo, this is smelly, said Kana. Then they tried the engine sheds. This is just right, but what is that rubbish? Those are only... We towed the brake van. Thomas and Diesel had to take him away. The next morning, Kana was happy. He's about to go to work. Look at me, said Kana. I'm a rocket engine. The rocket engine who always loves to go fast. You wouldn't want Percy now, said Kana. Kana didn't start.
She saw that a milk van.
She saw that a truck was about to be coupled to her. Do they expect me to pull that? Said Kana. Surely, said her driver. You can pull one truck. I won't, said Kana. Diesel can do it. He loves messing around with cars. He began to shake. Nonsense, said her driver. Come on, back down. Kana lurched backwards. He went too fast. He knocked down Diesel off the rails. And Kana blew a fuse. Told you, said Kana.
She began.
Told you, said Kana. Everyone was arguing, but Kana said it's no use. Everyone always says Kana.
It's Fitter's orders, she said. What is? My Fitter's a very nice man.
My driver's a very nice man. He comes every week and says, Kana, never pull your a rocket, and pulling cars is bad for you, said Kana. So that's how it is, finished Kana.
Stop
and nonsense, said the driver and the station master. I can't understand. Whatever made the Topham Hatt send us a rocket engine to be here on Sodal? Ah, man, said Kana. Said Kana. Let me stop arguing, grumbled the passengers. We're late already. So they uncoupled the truck, and Kana puffed away. He's feeling awesome for himself. He can now enjoy his journey. That's a good story. He said, I'll just do more work and no more, said Kana. And Kana said, working is so good, said Kana. But Kana said it to herself.